Hey guys, it's Marshall. So I want to talk about my ebook, T-shirt texture tricks. Besides being kind of a tongue twister, what is that ebook? Well, I like using Photoshop, and I like using Photoshop for T-shirt designs. I used to be an art director. I still do artwork on occasion, right? And one of the things I love doing is taking photographs with, guess what? With my cell phone, and using that wood grain or the metal sign or the asphalt or the concrete or the weird pattern that's on the glass when you get your car washed, whatever. I like using that stuff and making little patterns with it that I can incorporate into t-shirt designs to make that funny little blotch or that texture in the letters or something that's going to make it way better. And I show you how to do it with this ebook. So not only am I giving you access to a whole bunch of photos that I've already taken, lots of great textures, but I also show you how to use that in Photoshop to create simulated process channel separations that you can use without having to use somebody's plugin. I'm teaching you the old school way because guess what? I'm old school, teaching you how to do that, and it is ridiculously easy. It's step by step. Here's how to do it. I give you a couple of exercises where you can do it. You can get everything you need is in this ebook. So it's $29. It's not that expensive. You've got bar tabs more expensive than that. Why don't you get this ebook? Learn how to do it yourself, and you can make your t-shirt designs look so much better. So all you got to do is get the ebook and get going. So thanks.